Okay, Annie, please introduce yourself.
Okay, so my name's Annie Meijer. I'm a biographical counsellor, so working mainly one-on-one with people who are wanting to look for the resources of how to move forwards in their life, or how to find new meaning in their life, or how to face struggles in their lives. And in YIP I run the week biography course, working for 1 week going through the biography of the students with them in an interactive, artistic way to also further this looking for meaning.
Lovely. What do you see the major challenges for humanity to be in the next decade?
The major challenges for humanity in the next decade? I think there's many. Possibly the one that springs to mind most at the moment is the challenge of being together. So the challenge of working together. I think these days most initiatives can happen and the finances can be found and everything can work, but the difficult bit is how do we do it together. So finding ways of seeing one another, of learning to listen to one another, of learning to understand our differences, love our differences, and work together in a healthy social way. I think we need to build social structures to help us to be together and work together and understand one another, and if we don't do that then it may get more and more difficult to actually coexist.
And what do you see the role of youth to be in this picture?
Okay, so the role of youth in this picture I think is a vital one and a crucial one. I think youth bring the cutting edge of what the world needs in most areas. So I mean, with the young people that I work with, this newfound ability to listen and to perceive the truth of the other. If the surroundings and the facilities and the tools are provided, then I feel that the youth in dialogue with other generations can really forge this path into a new way of being together and of cooperating with each other and of using these newfound faculties that are coming to the world through the young people of today.
And what gives you hope for the future?
What gives me hope for the future? Many things. Many things give me hope for the future. Specifically, what gives me hope for the future? I think it would be people's capacity to, people's true and honest capacity to carry one another in their life questions and in the pains and struggles that they experience. More and more, I mean, my working life leads me to work with young people mostly, but more and more I see this capacity of young people to be able to truly carry but not take over the struggles of others. So really to become companions and guides to each other in a very equal way on our development path. It's a hopeful picture.
Certainly. And finally, imagine you were dropped on a deserted island and you were only allowed to bring one item.
One item on a deserted island. Tricky. So, one physical item.
Up to you.
Up to me.
Yeah.
Well, if I can bring myself as I am with all my difficulties and struggles, but also my trust in the ever-present help of the spiritual world and my trust in the help of those who have been left behind and help for me on this desert island. I think it's very difficult. I'm going to have to give two, and it would depend on what day of the week it was, which one I would take. I would either take a very good book, because I would like to have something of the written word with me, or I would take a very sharp knife to help me to make houses and kill the animals that I need to eat. Yeah.
Thank you very much, Annie.